Hello all, I am Madhvi Suri and this is the recap of the algebraic expression chapter, and then we will do some new topics also. Algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variables. We use operation like addition, subtraction, etc. to form an algebraic expression. Before learning about algebraic expression, we should know about variables. So what is variable? A variable does not have a fixed value. It can be varied. It is represented by some small letters like A, Y, P, M, etc. Now constant. A constant has a fixed value. Any number without variable in an expression is called constant. For example, the expression is given here 2x plus 7, where x is a variable and 7 is a constant. Here we got the expression by multiplying 2 into x and then add 7 to it. Here the x is a variable and 7 is a constant. Now term of an expression term. To form an expression, we use constant and variable and separate them using operations like addition, subtraction, etc. So here there are three terms which is separated by operations: 4x minus 7 minus y plus 7. So there are three terms. Now come to the factor of the term. Here the 4x having the two factor 4 and x. So we can understand it by using tree diagram also. As the tree diagram here, minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square a expression given to us. Here in the expression there are three terms: minus ab, 2b square and minus 3a square. Now there are three factor of one term: minus ab, minus 1a and b, and 2b square having three terms also, three factor also, 2b and b, and minus 3a square have four factor: minus 1, 3, a and a. So this is called tree factor, where first we will separate the terms and then we will separate the factor of the terms. As you can see, some factors are variable and some factors are numbers. So here in the first one there is one factor, this is numerical, this is called numerical coefficient of the term. So what is the numerical coefficient of minus ab? That is minus 1. Find the value of the expression. Now expression with one variable. If we know the value of the variable in an expression, then we can easily find the numerical value of the given expression. If the expression is given to us and the value of the variable is given to us, then we can easily find the value of whole expression. For example, the 2x plus 7 is here. If x is equals to 3 here, then if we put the value of the x is equals to 3 in the place of x, then we get the answer 2 into 3 plus 7, where 2 into 3 is 6 plus 7. So we will get the answer 13. So if we have the value of the variable, then we easily find the value